Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Dodge Durango. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including voice-activated navigation, a power rear cargo door, blind spot sensor, a trailer hitch, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.